Good morning, children. How are you? Okay, in the previous class, what we are discussed factors. In that chapter, finding factors using square tiles. That also you find out. Finding factors using multiplication. Then finding common factors. Then what is today's topic? Yes, solving word problems. Are you ready to doing word problems? Okay. In my hand, 5 pack of pencils are there. In my hand, 5 pack of pencils are there. In each pack contains 6 pencils. In my hand, 5 pack of pencils are there. In each pack contains 6 pencils. Then, my friend Tara have 6 pack of pencil. My friend Tara has 6 pack of pencil. Each pack contains 5 pencils. I have 5 pack of pencil. Each pack contains 6 pencils. My friend Tara have 6 pack of pencil. Then each pack contains how many pencil? 5 pencil. Who have more pencil? We will check it. Then what is the first step? Ma'am have the number of pack with ma'am. In my hand, how many pencils are there? How many packs are there? 5 packs. Then, number of pencils in each pack. Number of pencils in each pack. In each pack, how many pencils? 5. Sorry, how many pencils? 6. In each pack contains 6 pencils. Then total pencil. Total number of pencils. How you find? Yes, I have 5 pack of pencil. Each pack contains 6. Then 5 into 6. 30 pencils. Then next step. Number of pencils with Tara. First step, number of pack with ma'am. 5. Number of pencils in each pack. Six. Total number of pencils. How you find? 5 into 6. 5 into 6? 30. Then what is the second step? What is the second step? Yes, number of packs. With Tara. Tara have how many number of packs? 6 packs are there. Then number of pencils in each pack. 5. Then total number of pencils with Tara. Six into 5. That also 30. Okay, who get more or who have more pencils? Both have equal number of pencils. Okay, got it. The next, same way you do this problem. Atika has 5 pack of pencils. Atika have your textbook practice questions. Page number 35. Write this question. Atika has 5 packs of pencil. Each pack has 8 pencil. Sarah has 8 pack of pencil and each pack have 5 pencil. Write multiplication sentences to show the number of pencils they have. These are the multiplication sentences. 5 into 6 and 6 into 5. Do they have the same number of pencil? They have same number of pencils? Okay, that you check it. Same way you do that problem. Okay. After doing, you send to me. Next question. Aisha wants to give 36 stamps to her classmates. She wants to give the same number of stamps to each classmates. Here not given the number of classmates. Only they mention that 36 stamps with her. Then how can you use the factor pairs of 36 to decide how many classmates she can give the stamps to? So we want to find the all factor pairs. 36. 1 into 36. Suppose that 36 students in her class, then each student she gave 1 stamp each. Okay. Then 2 into 18. 2 into 18. Suppose only 18 students are there. So she gave how many stamps in each? 2 stamps each. Then 3. Suppose that only 12 students in her class, then how many stamps she gave? 3 stamps. Then 4 into 9. It's possible 9, only 9 students. Suppose she have only 9 classmates. Then how many stamps she gave? 4 stamps she gave. So this like you find out. Okay. Total number of stamps 36. So you write this possible multiplication pairs. Then she have 36 stamps. So you want to write the factor pairs first. Then suppose 36 students are in their class. She gave 1 stamp in each. Suppose 18 students are there. She gave 2 stamps in each. Suppose 12 students are there. She gave 3 stamps in each. Suppose 9 students only they have their class. She gave 4 stamps each. That like you write down. The next question. A shopping mall wants to make a parking lot where 100 cars can park in a rows and column with an equal number of cars in each column. How can you 10 parked cars be arranged? Write all the different way. So in a shopping mall there are parking some cars in rows and columns. So one condition is there. What is that condition? With an equal number of cars in each column. Each number of columns have equal number of cars. So each column have number of cars are equal. So which are the possible cases here? In 100 rows, each rows have one car enough. Okay, they are arranging 100 cars in row wise. Then how many columns are there? Only one column. Then suppose they are arranged 50 rows. Then 2 cars in each column. The number of cars in each column is same. 2 enough. 100 into 1, 50 into 2. Then suppose they are arranged in row 25 cars only. Then how many columns are there? 4 columns. Then suppose they are arranged 10 cars in row. Then how many columns needed? 10. Then suppose they are arranged 2 cars in row. Then how many columns are there? 50 columns. Then 4 rows are there. How many columns are there? 25 columns. Then 1 rows are there. How many columns are there? 100 columns are there. This way they are arranged. Okay. So, that mainly asking how we write the 100 as the multiple of 2 numbers. 100 into 1 or 1 into 100, 50 into 2, 2 into 15, 25 into 4, 4 into 25, 10 into 10. Okay. Next question. Write a word problem on finding the factors pairs of 25. You make a word problem. And then we will discuss some problems from your workbook. Shazia bought 8 boxes of chocolate. Each box has 10 chocolates. Reena bought 10 boxes of chocolate with 8 chocolate in each box. Find the number of chocolates each of them has. Do they have the same number of chocolates? So first we are doing some problems here. That way you will find out. Kajal wants to plant 60 flowers in her garden in rows and columns such that each row has an equal number of plants. What are the different ways she can plant these flowers? This way you are arranged. How you write 16 as the product of 2 numbers. That like you write the number of columns and rows. Write a word problem on finding the factors of 35. So create a word problem finding the factors of 35. Got it? So today we are discussing how to do word problems on the factors. Okay, I hope all understand what are the problems we are doing here. Then we'll discuss some problems from your previous class. In the previous class, what we are discussed finding common factors. So first question, page number 35. Find the common factors of factor in each pair of multiplication sentences. 5 into 8, 14. 10 into 5, 50. From here common factor is 5. Okay. Then second, 7 into 9, 63. 2 into 7, 14. here, which is the common factor 7. Write whether true or false. 1 as a common factor of all the numbers. Yes. When we are checking, 1 is the common factor of all the numbers. Then the only common factors of 20 and 40. So factors of 20 and 40 we want to find. 1, 20, 2, 10, 4, 5. These are the factors of 20. 40, 1, 40, 2, 20, 4, 10, 8, 5. So common factors. Which are the common factors here? 1 is the 20, 2, 10, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. These are the common factors of 20 and 40. But they are writing only 1, 20, 40. 40 is the common factor of here? No. So you rewrite the common factors here. Then there are no common factors of 75 and 100. We will check it. What are the common factors of 75 and 100? and 100. Say really it's false. We know that 1 as the common factor of all numbers. So that is third statement is false. Then we will check it more than 1 factors or not. 75 and 100. 1, 75. 175, 325, 5, 15. These are the factors of 75. Then 100. 1, 100. 1 into 100. 2 into 50. 4 into 25. 10 into 10. These are the factors of 100. So common factors. What are the common factors? 1 is then 1, 25, 5. Sorry, 5 into 10 or 5 into 20. 5 into 20 also factor of 100. 5. These are the numbers of, these are the factors of 70, common factors of 75 and 100. Got it? The last question. Write all the factors of 27 and 45. Write all the factors of 27 and 45. 1 into 27, 3 into 9. Any other possibilities? 1 into 27, 3 into 9, then 45. 1, 45, 45, 5 into 9, 45. Then any other cases? 15 into 3. 45. 15 into 3, 45. So common factors. Which are the common factors here? 1, then 3, 9. 3, 9. Which is the highest common factor here? 9. Highest common factor is 9. So next you want to take your workbook. Finding common factors. Page number 29. First question. 4 into 7 is equal to 28. 9 into 4 is equal to 36. From this, which is the common number? Common factor 4. Second, 5 into 10 is equal to 50. 10 into 9 is equal to 90. This is common here, 10. Okay. Then, find the factors of 18 and 54. 18. 1 into 18. 2 into 9. 3 into 6. These are the factors of 18. Then 54. 1 into 54. 2 into 27. 3 into 18. 3 into 18. Then 6 into 9. 6 into 9. Any other possibilities? No. So we want to find the common factor. One is the 18, 2, 9, 3, 6. So here there is no numbers. Common factors 1. From here you write 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Then from here you write 54, 27. Okay. The next step. And 72. 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, 4. These are the factors. Then 72. 172. 236. 24. Okay, then 4, 18. 8 into 4, 32, 3. 1 into 4, 4, 3, 7. Then 1 into 72, 2 into 36, 3 into 24, 4 into 18, 6 into 12. 6 into 12. 7 is not possible. Then 8. 8 into 9. Then find the common factors. Common factors. Which are the common factors here? 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, 4. So in the place of 12 there is no numbers. In common factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Then remaining factors you write here. 72, 36, 24, 18, 8 and 9. Okay. Then write all the factors of 12. 1, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. 20. 12, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Then 20. 1, 20, 20. 2, 10, 20. 4, 5, 20. Okay. Then common factors of 12 and 20. Common factors. Which are the common factors? 1, 2, 4. From this, which is the highest common factor? 4. That you circle it. Okay. Today we are discussing how to do word problems. I hope all are understand this. How to find the word problems. Do all problems from your textbook and workbook and send to me. Have a nice day. Thank you.